Alright guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mind today. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I am the leading GANN scientific and analytical researcher, and I'd like to say thank you very much for having me as your guest. Today we're going to be discussing Bitcoin and the resumption of its all-time high. As you know, I've been calling for an all-time high in the fifth month, and the fifth month did not occur until the 26th of September and has moved into the fifth month here. And I was calling for our fifth month top, and it did come in at the very tail end. And I tell you, this market has been continuously testing my forecast and my resolve, and I am so happy to report to you that my findings are still intact, because sometimes it can really make a guy sweat a little bit. However, we have to rely on the data. We can't use our ego, because my ego was starting to tell me that there was maybe something wrong with my whole forecasting, and there is nothing wrong with my forecasting at all. It's actually very accurate. And those that have my forecasts are high-fiving right now, but just keep it real, guys, because November is sideways with some downward, okay? And December 2nd to the 12th, Bitcoin will be low, and you should buy space credits December 2nd to December 12th. That's when you should buy. Okay, that just goes out because I get a lot of comments from him that maybe sometimes I don't know what I'm talking about, and so a few others. But as a lot of you know, this forecast is 100% correct. Having my forecast in your hand now and looking at it, it shows that, that's right, October, we will be at 73,000. And that is exactly what it is doing. And in 45 more days, I will reveal my 2024 Bitcoin and S&P 500 forecast. And you will see just how awesome esoteric sciences really are. Moving forward, November, we have a spike. Is it going to go up and touch this level? It's very possible. We have a lot of energy, but we do have some sideways here. And the swings are just starting to get wild. Okay? They're just starting. You know, we've just come up to this area, so be expecting, some severe reactions. One way or the other, we're going to be having lots of swings here. And we cannot violate this area of the chart here. We can't violate this. By December, by the 12th of December, we have to be moving up and passing through 73,000. That's what my forecast suggests. So this is what I'm telling you is about to unfold. We have the most important election in history. I don't talk about the news, but right now this is probably one of the main drivers of the market. And you're going to see a 1920s building boom where the entire nation is galvanized. That's right, to fix itself. And everyone is going to be brought together, and we're going to work together. We're going to have a big boom, and this is going to affect the stocks, the crypto market, the commodity markets. So this is what the history is suggesting, and I've just gone back and looked at history, and this is my findings. Okay, guys, just watch out. The big three are looking for your Bitcoin, and they're looking for your stops. I think we are in for some very wild swings. Is it possible we come back to 65? Oh yes, it is very possible. We can have a shock drop here, scare the crap out of you, and then we can have another sustained move that would move up into December, okay? But we're going to have some sideways here in this November. There's going to be some wild swings and some sideways movement. And this is all to confuse you traders. But be patient. We're about to break above this, and we're about to set a new precedent. So pay attention to that. I'm going to be doing some more tutorials here and updating you on some more market metrics, and we'll be doing that over the weekend here, so expect to see some more tutorials. Okay guys, hit me up in the comments. I love you guys all. Peace and love. I don't stop the comments, even though there's stupid comments out there. I just let you guys deal with the stupid ones. Peace and love, guys. Hang in there. Things are getting wild now. Peace and love.